Hit it. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Thank you, Father, for allowing me to see another wonderful and amazing day, y'all. Today is such an amazing day. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of La Joy Creation Designs. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens, ladies and gentlemen. All right, y'all. So y'all know that pretty much for this month, I have been doing nothing but showcasing and showing y'all how to make and create fabric earrings. All right. So today I have another one for you all. In this Crafty Vision segment, I'm going to show y'all how to make, I'm going to call these earrings not tassel earrings, okay? They won't be called tassel earrings because I'm making them from these loopers. And when I showed y'all these the other day, I got so many comments of people telling me that back in the day, and I'm just seeing this on here literally, they said you can make pot holders, hair scrunchies, and jewelry ideas, y'all. So I'm just going to say that I'm going to call these fringe earrings, okay? Fringe earrings. And basically, I purchased these the other day. I did a video. I got these from Michael's, okay? Now, what I want to say to you all before you rush out there, whenever I go and get these, I never get the same ones. They never have the same exact colors combinations together, okay? This is something that is totally different from the last ones that I purchased. They have the same colors, but sometimes to me, some of the colors can be lighter and some of the colors are darker. So this batch is a much lighter, okay, a much lighter assortment. I bought 2 bags of these, and both bags are pretty much have the same color. So I do want y'all to know that if you run out there and you decide to get these today, that every time I go, they're different, okay? The color combinations may be different, but this is what I'm going to show y'all how to be. We're going to make a small pair of fringe earrings today, y'all. Yes, this is a beginners friendly video. Of course, y'all know I'm going to take y'all step by step on how to make and create these earrings, okay? So let's go ahead and get into what you're going to need. Of course, you're going to need some scissors. You're going to need some 12 gauge. This is 12 gauge aluminum wire. And I have cut up, this piece is 8 inches long. 12 gauge aluminum wire, 8 inches long. You're going to need 2 fish hooks because you're going to be making a pair. You're also going to need your wire cutters, flat nose pliers and round nose pliers, and your loopers. All right. So this is the colors, the way that you see this lined up is the way that I'm going to be putting it on my earring, because I want both of my earrings to match up. I want the colors and everything to be in sync. I want them to be pretty much the same. You will need a dowel, and this dowel is wait a minute, hold up. It's a 1/2 inch thick. Okay, so it's not an inch, it's a 1/2 inch. Okay, now I purchased this some time ago from Walmart. Okay, so we won't need any glue guns or none of that stuff today, y'all. These earrings are going to be easy and simple to make. Like I said, beginners friendly. So let's go ahead and get started. So the very first thing we're going to do is you're going to take your 8 inches of 12 gauge aluminum wire, and you're going to come and bring it over here and place it pretty much like in the center of your dowel. You're going to bring it together just like this. You're going to be making one large loop. Make make sure that it is nice and snug. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to start twisting it. So once you get it on, you're going to twist it, and one piece you're going to bring up, and one piece you're going to leave it flat. All right, you see what I'm doing here? And then you're just going to take the piece that's flat, and you're going to pinch the long piece up, and you're going to continue to wrap this. Now, you only want to wrap this about 3 times, okay? So I have 2 wraps on there so far, and this will be my last wrap. I'm coming all the way around right here. So I'm going to take this off. You should have a perfect circle, okay? This piece, you are going to take your wire cutters, and you're going to snip that off just like that. You're going to take your flat nose pliers, which is this, and you're just going to go in just to make sure you squeeze everything so that everything is touching. But this is basically what you should have, okay? Now, the next thing you want to do is I want to show y'all what you have to do with your loopers. When you take your loopers out, right, and you are making a pair of earrings, you want to stretch your looper just like this, and then you want to go take your scissors, snip it on one side, come down, snip it on the other side, and in order for your earrings to be the same, you're going to use one for one earring and one for the other earring, and that's how you get your color coordination going, okay? So I just wanted to show y'all that. So the way I have mine's lined up is the way that I'm going to be putting them on my piece. Now, when you start putting these on, you want to have, let me count these to make sure that we have the right amount, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. You need 17 pieces, okay? So basically what you want to do is you're going to take your first looper, and I've already stretched mine, and you're just going to come and bring it right here. Now I'm going to lay this like this. You want your ends to meet, okay? And then you're going to bring it through like that, and you're going to tie it as tight as you can tie it, and you're going to push it all the way up to the top, okay? Push it all the way up to the top. You also want to make sure that your knot, make sure you leave your knot is like this. So your knot should be pretty much at the top, okay? And that's basically how I am going to do this. Now, what I'm going to do now to save time for the video is I'm going to go ahead and put all of these on, and then I'm going to come back to the next step. All right, so stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so as you can see, this is how your earring is starting to look. Now, these are pretty small. They are not heavy at all. So I'm going to go ahead and add on my very last and final piece, okay, to the puzzle. Okay, and here we have it. So this is what they're going to look like this. They're doing their own thing, okay? So basically what you want to do now is you're going to just pinch this over. You're going to take your wire cutters and snip it just about right there. And then your round nose pliers, you're just going to make a loop just like this. You make your loop. And straighten this up. And then the very last thing that you do for these babies is you add on your fish hook. Now you can make the loops bigger if you want them to be bigger. It's completely up to you on how big you want these to be. Okay, so here they are, my matching pair. Okay. They're nice and they're full and they're different. And these are, now I'm going to tell y'all something. These are the summertime, springtime, fun earrings. Okay. These are the earrings that you wear. And if you decide to make them bigger, if you can wear them to the beach. You can wear them to the cookouts. You're going to get I'm telling you, you're going to get compliments. People are going to want to know where you got them from. Trust me, y'all. This stuff is different and it's definitely unique. Even though it's a lot of people that's making this stuff and pretty much doing what I'm doing, we all do it differently. Okay. So could y'all please do me a favor and thumbs up this video, like it and share it out to your other social media platforms, so that it can help as many people as possible. And as always, I want to say thank y'all so very much for your support. And until my next upload, peace and blessings. Happy crafting, everyone. See ya.